We are gonna go play. Taking the kids to go play for their last day of summer. So I'm let go. Everybody left. Oh my gosh. You ready to go play? Say hi, Sissy.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Then we got little drool baby. Oh, he's hot, mommy. Yeah. Okay.
Baba, say how you say.
Bubba left. He went inside really quick. Ready to go play?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna show our YouTube. We're gonna play today. You gonna show them?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will go play.
Yeah, we're going. We're gonna go play. Play and eat, okay?
Okay. First I'm gonna play, then eat.
Okay. You not hungry?
Yeah.
Right, we need to eat first.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay. This is like your last fun day of summer.
This is our last fun day of summer.
Are you excited to go play?
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna end off your summer with something fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we going to 7-Eleven?
7-Eleven? Well, we have to take that bus. We're taking 11, the one, we go by the one.
7-Eleven.
Yeah. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on.
Let me see. If you're frustrated. Here on. Nope, stop. Made it up here. First, we got something to eat. We're going to eat first. Because this kid wanted this. Yes, what did you want? A bowl. Okay. What are you getting?
Taco.
Good job. You want some ice?
Look.
Okay, we'll just ice. Okay. We made it. Kids Empire opens back in Colorado Springs 4 months ago.
Wait, you remember this?
Yes. We came here for her first birthday. Ready? Set. Yay. Look, Mama. Come here. Go up there. Look. Go. Look, Mama. No. Up here. Look. Yay, go. Go, pretty girl. Up. No, go. Up. It's gonna lead you to the slide. Are you scared? Come on, you got it. Go. Up. Keep going. You can do it. Keep going. Up. Almost there. Keep going. Go. Go. Up there. Keep going. I'm gonna meet you at the slide. There, you did it. Go, Mama. There you go, baby. Now come down. Ready, set, go! Yay! You did it. Yeah. And then you can do it again. Woo! Mama.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Come on. We gotta get you out.
Yeah, little mama baby. Yeah. Wait for me. Don't run. No running. I can't go up there. I'm too scared. Go. Where are you gonna go, to the slide? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
All right. Go ahead. Come on. Good kick, boy.
Everyone here. Okay. There. There. You. There. You. There. You. There. You. There. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. All right. If one extra person comes, you guys get it. Currently, you go on that team. Okay.
You guys sit down. You gotta look like a baby over here. Go! Look at the dragon. I think it's a dragon. Yeah. What the? Be careful. Go, sissy. What you trying to do? Oh. Hey. Hey. Whoa. You didn't go near daddy? Oh, look who came with you. Oh, be careful.
Come on. It's okay.
Oh gosh. You good? Here you go. My little babe. The baby go. Cheese. Oh, girl, coach legs. You're so silly. Ready to go? You done? Wait, those are moving too fast. Okay. Gosh. You're so funny. Please. Help. Oh my gosh. I don't see a bike. What's in here? Where are you gonna go? Oh my gosh. You don't like that? You going? Oh baby. Oh, what? Oh, okay.
It's just hard.
Come here. Look at these.
Why is this one going so slow?
It's slow. You see the car?
I got one look. Huh? All right. Be careful. Hold on.
Ready, set,
Go. Oh God.
You didn't get it. You're my baby. You have fun, Sissy? You tired?
Yeah.
You have fun?
Yeah.
I think you actually drank mine, but so I just. Sissy, you had fun? Bubba, you had fun?
Yep.
You were playing soccer most of the time. Couldn't find you. You had fun? Yeah. Say bye. I know you did, girl.